Today I'm here with Nick Andreas, founder and president of Stack Commerce. Stack Commerce is essentially a US market. They essentially help international brands bring their markets into the US. Besides that, we've generated them over 150 plus meeting ready leads to help support their growth. And of course, Nick, just want to start off. Could you introduce yourself? Give us an overview of what Stack Commerce does.
Yeah, absolutely, Jordan. So I'm Nick. I am the founder and CEO of Stack Commerce, and we are an all-in-one U.S. market entry solution for international brands that sell physical products to come into the U.S. market.
Amazing, amazing. And of course, just another question. Since partnering with us, I know we've generated a significant amount of leads for you guys. Do you feel like these leads have been aligned with your ideal customer profile?
Yeah, absolutely. We've been able to talk with, executive level employees at some of the biggest companies in the world, so publicly traded companies, and Leadbird has been tremendous in helping us get in touch with them.
Amazing. I love that. And then, of course, question 3 would be, how would you describe the quality of the leads you've received so far?
They're great. The leads really are incredible. And, in some instances, you might need to get to a decision maker, but many of the leads we've received are C-level decision makers at huge publicly traded companies.
Amazing. And then, Nick, what has your experience been in terms of setting appointments from the leads we've provided?
We've had an easy time setting appointments. It's just important that you have a setter that's working those leads and getting back to them quickly.
Amazing. And of course, last question. Overall, how's your experience been working with Leadbird in general?
Leadbird has been incredible for our company. It's helped establish a nice, steady pipeline of new qualified leads for our company. And they've been able to do it without putting a huge burden on our company. Leadbird takes care of everything. I didn't want to get strung up with the infrastructure necessary to send the hundreds of thousands of cold emails that our company's been sending. And Leadbird really has been great at automating that entire process and making it easy for us to get in touch with qualified prospects.
Absolutely. And that's amazing to hear. So, of course, thank you so much for sharing your experience, Nick. We've loved being a part of your growth and look forward to continuing the momentum. So, besides that, I hope you have a great day, and that is all from me.
Likewise, Jordan. Thank you.